5:03. I just changed the time on my phone and it made me kind of sad.
So it's equivalent to 3:10 a.m. Pacific time from Seattle, Washington, which is where I departed from at noon. I've been up since 5 yesterday, so I'm going on close to 24 hours. But I cannot wait to show you guys my room. I'm staying at the Skyvilla, which is part of the Hotel New Yokosuka Group. When you walk in, you've got a washer and dryer, which is really nice. I'm gonna take my shoes off because you don't enter a Japanese establishment with shoes on. Storage area. I've got a really nice size kitchenette. Here, microwave, rice cooker, toaster oven, actual oven, which I've never seen in any of the other places here. Even a lot of apartments in like bigger cities and stuff don't have ovens. This is the bathroom, fancy toilet, big beautiful sink, and then the part I'm most excited about, there is a shower room. My host family had a room like this, and I absolutely loved it. Shower there, and it just goes on the floor, and then you get in your bath afterwards. And that bath doesn't look big to some people, I bet, but is massive when you're only 4'10". And then I have this nice dining room with a little nook area, desk, TV, couch, sitting area, dresser, has a cute little makeup on it, mirror on it, and a bed. So this amazing place is what I'm going to call home for almost the next 4 months while I'm over here. So as hard as it is to, be away from the family and the animals and all that, it's really nice to be back in Japan. Everybody knows I love Japan, and to be able to come here and work and be so lucky to have such a nice place to stay in. This place is where a lot of our more uppity people at works. After a long day, seeing that it's 8:20 here local time, so it's 3:20 my time that I'm used to, it is time to go get some food. Thanks for wanting to go out and get food with me.
Oh hell yeah, this is seriously hitting the spot.
So it's almost 10 o'clock at night here, which means it's almost 5 o'clock in the morning in Seattle, which means I have officially been up for 24 hours. I am at my room, showed you guys that. Went and got some ramen with Tess, one of my coworkers, and then came back and did as minimal unpacking as necessary till tomorrow. And now I'm going to bed because I am dog tired to the point I can't even compose sentences properly.